Introducing the Vivo TWS Air 3, affordable, AI-powered true wireless earbuds designed to deliver premium sound without breaking the bank. Launched alongside Vivo's new smartphones, the TWS Air 3 features a classic in-ear design and comes in 3 stunning colors to suit your style. Equipped with a powerful 12mm dynamic driver and a 4-layer voice coil, these earbuds deliver rich bass, crisp trebles, and clear vocals, all tuned by the expert Golden Ears acoustic team. Experience a wider soundstage with spatial audio support and enhanced clarity through DeepX 3.0 stereo effects, perfectly balancing bass, vocals, and trebles. Customize your audio with dedicated sound modes tailored for heavy bass, clear vocals, or even audiobook listening. Thanks to AI-powered noise reduction, background noise is cut by up to 51%, so your calls are clearer no matter where you are. Gamers will appreciate the ultra-low latency of 44 milliseconds, ensuring your audio stays perfectly in sync with the action. Powered by Bluetooth 6.0, these earbuds maintain a stable wireless connection up to 10 meters, letting you move freely without interruptions. Each earbud weighs only 3.6 grams for all-day comfort, paired with a sleek 37-gram charging case for easy portability. The IP54 rating means the earbuds are dust and splash resistant, perfect for daily use, rain or shine. Enjoy up to 10 hours of uninterrupted playback on a single charge, with a total of 45 hours when using the charging case. All this comes at an incredibly affordable price of just CNY 99, making the Vivo TWS Air 3 an excellent choice for budget-conscious audiophiles. Stay tuned for more updates and availability. For now, the Vivo TWS Air 3 is setting a new benchmark in wireless audio.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.